Alright, what is up guys? Today is July 22nd, 2017, and today is my 19th birthday, so yay! I figured, what a better way to celebrate my birthday than to power on the fire alarm system and set it off. So I've got floor system test 37 for you today. And of course I changed out everything for this test, as you guys can see. For the pull station, we've got my Notifier NBG-10L pull station. And then with the alarms I picked an alarm that's incredibly loud, and I picked one that's incredibly obnoxious. And the reason I did this was to pretty much create as much unnecessary noise as possible to celebrate my birthday. So I figured, why not, you know? So the first alarm I have here is my EST Genesis G1RF-HDVM code 3 horn strobe. Very loud alarm. The first time I set this off, it like blew my ears out. So I got this from JJ Inc. 24, I think 3 or 4 years ago. And then we've got my system sensor SS-24 sounder strobe. And this is the one I pulled out of the construction dumpster, I think last year. And the reason why this one is so obnoxious is because the jumper on it, which you know, you can use to change the tone it makes, that jumper was not on this alarm when I pulled it out of the dumpster. So the alarm is stuck on the slow whoop tone, and that tone is obnoxious. So I just did a little pre-test of this, and these alarms do not sound good together, let me tell you that. So just a lot of annoying and unnecessary noise today. So anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and set this off. First, however, I'm going to put on the trusty old hearing protection because when I just tested this, I was a little bit concerned, actually, because these alarms used to be like, you know, especially the Genesis, it used to be really loud. It used to really, really hurt my ears. And now it's bearable. So that can mean one of two things. Either I'm just getting more used to the sound of these, or my hearing is starting to literally deteriorate because I've been listening to these things for so long without hearing protection. So in an effort to save my hearing, I'm going to put on hearing protection, and then we will set these things off. Alright, hearing protection's on. I'm going to go ahead and set off the pull station. I'm just going to key it because the way this pull station is designed and the way I have it sitting on the floor, you can't really pull it. So I'm going to go ahead and key activate it, and we'll set it off. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's pull those things off. Okay, I think that was quite enough right there. Anyway, oh yeah, I forgot to mention the strobe on the SS-24 is tied into NAC 2, so it's still flashing. Quite a few buildings and, you know, especially like shopping centers in my town have these devices, and they're very frequently being replaced. And I think part of the reason why is because of these non-ADA strobes. They're not very bright at all, but still working good. So anyway, let's reset. And we'll just let this thing reset. So I guess while it's resetting, I'll talk about my birthday a little bit. So far I've gotten 2 birthday cards. I haven't even opened them yet from my dad and my brother, and I have a lot of Facebook happy birthday posts, so that's always very nice. So, and then tonight I was volunteering at kids camp at my church this whole week, and the youth group from Wheaton Chinese Alliance Church invited me to their bonfire tonight, with s'mores and everything, so that was very nice of them. So I'm going to be doing that tonight, and we're getting Portillo's tonight for dinner. So, uh-oh. Alarms present, system reset aborted. That means I did not reset the pull station. It didn't lock. So anyway, I'm going to go fix that because it takes 2 hands to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll come back. Alright, the pull station should be locked now. Let's give that another try. So, anyway, yeah, I'm going to their bonfire tonight, and we're gonna have s'mores and all that, and they want to celebrate my birthday too. So that's so awesome, you know. Kids camp this week at church was a lot of fun. It's basically a vacation Bible school. Many of you have probably heard of that, and you know, just growing and you know, shepherding kids, you know, and teaching them about Jesus and His love for them, and just a really awesome week, you know, not only for the kids, but for myself, as I made a lot of new friends from this Chinese Alliance church. So, a very fun time this week. I'm excited to go to their bonfire tonight. So, anyway, there's that. System's back to normal. That's about it. Thank you guys for watching today, and that'll be it.